Hey everybody, this is Jay, and I am still around. Last week, well, 2 weeks ago, well, last week, yeah, not the week before the last, started my first chemotherapy and finished that week. And today is June 20th, and that is a few days before I go back into chemotherapy. So, not feeling too bad. Go into chemotherapy next week again for a second round. And had a meeting with my doctor, and she said I'm probably going to do 4 to 5 rounds of chemotherapy and then go into immunotherapy thereafter, depending on how well my body handles that. So, optimistically, I am still terminal, but optimistically, I could survive a year or so, and I'm looking forward to that. Some of the physical problems that I'm having with Lambert-Eaton syndrome is fatigue, wobbliness on my feet and my eyes, taste buds all messed up, things like that. So, yeah, I'm still dealing with a lot of that, but I am eating again. Things do taste okay again, and I am buying stuff again. So some of you know that I have the Ronin 4D, and I went ahead and bought the Flex unit. I ordered this, probably about 3 months ago, 4 months ago, pre-order through B&H Photography in New York, and DJI just wasn't releasing it. They weren't giving any idea to any of their vendors when it was going to be released. And I went ahead and got rid of my order. I asked for my money back, and they did. They gave it back immediately. So yesterday, I'm batting around B&H's website, and I noticed that this is now available, and I could get it expedited next day, and it's here. So what this does is it takes an incredibly heavy camera, basically, and separates the neck from the body of the camera, like the Sony Venices, things like that, and allows you to have it on a cable. It gives you a lot more options, obviously, on being able to use the camera head, the sensor. And I have a SlidePod motorized monopod, and I want to put it on top of that. Different ways of doing things. I want to mount it on my Easy Rig, and kind of be able to move around a little bit easier than holding that camera out in front of you like this. So that's what this does, and it ain't cheap, guys. Be honest with you, it really is not cheap, but comes in at $900, I believe, is what I paid for it, and I am planning on using it. So take the camera that pretty much I could not use because of the weight of it and the problems that I'm having with cancer, and actually be able to offboard some of the weight to my back and use the camera in front. So we'll see how that works. And I want to, oh, there we go, open it up now and see what it looks like. Okay, nicely packaged. Oh, wow. Yeah, very nicely packaged. So there's the unit. Cable is very, very heavy. And check this out. This is a brand new product. And this manual Looks like it came from the 1930s. All yellowed out and everything. Anyway. Real nice ring here, of course. And go ahead and... That's the part that the neck fits on. Yeah, very nicely built. Certainly was hoping that it would be that way. This is the ring adjustment if you use bigger lenses. And this is the base side of it. Yeah, that's a really nice looking unit. So your handles go on these units on the outside, and your monitor on the front here. You got power button on and off, locking rings, and okay, well, definitely gonna have to mess around with that a little bit, but yeah, I'll go ahead and get it set up, and we'll play with it in a little bit. Take care, guys. Thank you.